We are not trying to be the world's best research university, but what we are trying to do is to bring the top-notch research of the world and convert that into an actionable plan, to use that research for the benefit of people. So research, which is a cutting-edge, forward-looking research, how can that be commercialized? How can that be used? How can that be translated? We started doing the AI process 3 years back, wherein every faculty was trained. We embedded the AI curriculum into each course. Each course, 1/6 unit was added after the 5th unit, which was the AI part of that course. So every course we are teaching AI. All our evaluation process, all our admission process, all our internal processes are all AI driven. If you would go into our website, you would see that AI counselor would greet you, would handle all your queries. Your interviews will be taken by AI. Our English practice, our interview practice given to the students is by AI avatar. Our all papers are checked by AI. So if you do the handwritten papers and these are scanned and then put on a benchmark of this answer written by a Harvard student or answer written by a Stanford student and an answer written by Doon Business School is evaluated on the same platform, which is a AI standard benchmark. AI can also do mistakes, we don't say that, but whatever is the standard internet answer to that question, it will be evaluated on that basis. We are able to release our results in a day. Maybe as a teacher, I may not be able to read that and writing that well, but AI is able to make that what are you trying to write, because it will use the logic that what is the answer which you're trying to write. And AI is what is the flavor of this decade now. Keep investing, keep reinventing yourself, keep learn all these certificates of AI, because this is going to really change how the world is going to shape up in future.